Rebel Ashes. Where freestyle though? Okay. I came through, yeah, like I'm from nowhere. I'm single though, but I'm the one fucking your girl. Your girl loves me, cause yeah, I treat her well. You know who I mean, I'm not bad. I'm like 2 in 1, everywhere I'm there. You late comments, cause I just ring the bell. Oh rapper and you're there, so they like, what the hell? Okay, I came to win, I came not to lose. Okay, you me and we see who they choose. My lines hit your brain, now you so confused. You the old news and I'm the new news. Everything I got is new, so I guess I'm brand new. I'm out or so, when I walk, then you walk. When I talk, then you talk. Now you know I'm fucking balls. Go hide under the gutter when you see me coming. You say you hard like Gaddafi, look at him running. I'm coming hard on you like the US Army, and I'ma shit on you like he all know. Ciao, ciao. Money, yeah, pretty wasn't pretty till I get here, I'm the cute one. I'm too smart to trick them, I let the fools run. Death on my left, half on my right, choose one. I heard them throwing shot, was that your best one? Tonight I'm buying, it's a celebration. Rings in the air to them suckers, we toasting. I ain't see to the fullest, you can see we coasting. It's up to find me, tell them to keep looking. And again, tell them money's back without a break. Being through the worst, I can't play without being fake. Give a message that I'm back, I'm off the chain. Keep my name in your mouth and your name in my brain. Whenever I'm a one, I don't live without a taste. I told them to serve me, I need a piece of the cake. I brought some dudes with me for the sisters you came with, and I brought some cup for them suckers you came with.
I dey run these MCs like I be run DMC. My flow sick, I think I got a disease. I no be fisherman just because I dey overseas. Say ukwa ni na gay, bitch please. Ya na be no man hear me say. Flow me cranty me pepre. The money man petre petre. My sanity wo patchetre. Rap the fuck about you try minute. Nyom dada no mon tonkene. Flow ni mu see me hine ain't go nowhere me boss or hine. I'm here to stay. Been around the world and back. So what you say? My underdogs come back you, scare you, bite you, hurt you, show you how to do this fool. I'ma school you. Charlie, wa wani toi.